Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia from seizures and strokes to the cerebellum. In November of 2022, I tried the elliptical and failed miserably, but I recently tried it again and it was a success due to constant exercising. I'm not talking about exercising a few days a week, but exercising all day every day. Ataxia is definitely hindering me, but I refuse to let it win. I hope you do the same. When I first tried the elliptical in November of 2022, once I got going I could not stop, which can be very scary. I had no control of my body. Luckily for me, my father, who is in some of this video to ensure I can get off if needed, and neighbor were around to grab me off the elliptical machine. As you see in this video, I tried the elliptical once again and it was a success. It was a success for many reasons, but the main two are the skis to which your feet use are much heavier. The first time I tried the elliptical, those particular skis were much lighter. If you are looking for an elliptical, try and get one with heavier skis because it can be much easier to slow down. If the skis are heavier, the elliptical will help you slow down. The second reason is because of constant exercising, I have much more control over my body. All the exercising has really stressed my nervous system and has helped me immensely. If you have ataxia, no matter what type, exercising really helps and forces your body to do things it needs to do. For example, it taught me and my body that I'm in control. It tried to fight me and lost. Please go in with that mentality. Because of my first experience using the elliptical was so traumatizing, I was very cautious at first when using the elliptical again. This is why you see me holding onto the stationary handles at first. My confidence began to grow, and I moved away from the stationary handles to the handles that move, that simulate real walking or the running motion. Like my last video, I'll put a link in the description below. I said if there's a will, there's a way. Yes, my number one goal is driving, but by using the elliptical checks off another box. If you decide to use the elliptical with ataxia for the first time, please ensure you have people around just in case you lose control like I did. Have those people grab you immediately to get you off the elliptical. We don't want you getting injured, which is very easy to do if you don't have people around you and need to get off. Ataxia hinders you enough, no reason for more. Live to fight another day. As always, it's so important to get this content out there because most people, including some doctors, do not know anything about ataxia. Please help the channel out and bring awareness to ataxia, which is extremely rare, by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you.